very good afternoon and evening to everybody. So just going to take a recap of what's happened today so far. And we are trading pretty much in the green today, so looking to finish in fairly firm positive territory. So initially we did see quite a bit of mixed data out of the US. So we had the initial jobless claims that came in worse than expected, so a higher reading there, and that follows on from the non-farm payroll number, which also disappointed somewhat last week. And we had the continuing claims, which actually came in slightly lower, so a bit of confusing employment data. We had the PPI numbers came in flat, and we had the US trade balance, which did show some narrowing. So a bit of a mixed reaction. Initially we did see a bit of a sell-off in terms of US stock futures. However, since then we have rallied. That partly due to market talk that the Chinese GDP reading, which is expected overnight, is going to beat expectations. It's come in at around 9%, so it is forecast at 8.4% year on year presently. So it'll be interesting to see that reading and also the market reaction to that. Also today we've seen the Spanish Parliament pass their budget law, and we also saw the US 30-year note auction, which came in pretty solidly, stopped on the when issued, and the bid to cover was ever so slightly stronger than the previous reading. Now, looking ahead to tomorrow, we have several bits of US data, including CPI readings and also the University of Michigan Consumer Confidence. That's the prelim reading for April. We've also got German CPIs slightly earlier in the session as well. But also earnings season does kick off properly tomorrow, so we have already seen Alcoa, but tomorrow we have JP Morgan, also Wells Fargo due. It is worth remembering that tonight we have Google. They're reporting their Q1 earnings with their EPS expected at $9.63. But for the time being, that's enough from me. We'll have another update for you tomorrow morning at the European Open. But for the time being, have yourself a very pleasant evening.